come close to this bush. You're in the bush now.
All right, well, welcome back to the channel, you guys. It's like 70 degrees right now. Let's see what my watch says. 68 degrees and partly cloudy in the middle of March. We probably will still get snow before the season's end, but we are going to take advantage of this. We're actually on some private land right now because I tried for the life of me to try to find camping within an hour or two of Detroit, and it's almost impossible. We have no state land or national forest land. The only state land that we do have are game areas, and those are like hike-in sites, but you can't really like drive your van to it and park at the sites. So yeah, we're on some private land right now in the Irish Hills. Huge shout out to Carl, the owner of this place. Just being out in the middle of nowhere with nobody to bother you, this is exactly what we were looking for. We're gonna make a pizza tonight. We brought our Ooni Pizza oven, so we're gonna make a wood-fired pizza and just relax and enjoy this gorgeous weather. All right, so this is our new fridge. Shout out to BougeRV for sending it. Full disclosure, they sent this to me for free. They're not paying me to make this. I have no obligation to say whether it's good or bad. So we've always just used a cooler, so I really have no idea what to expect, but it's pretty sweet. This is a 12 volt, 30 quart fridge, and it's powered off of this little power bank here, and it also can plug into the car like DC cigarette lighters, and we can charge it while we're driving, and then when we're parked we have the little battery bank. We might get like a bigger battery down the line. It's a pretty cheap fridge compared to like the Iceco or the Dometic fridges. This is way cheaper. I think it's like listed for $289, but either way I'm excited to have this thing and not have soaking wet groceries anymore, so we'll definitely let you know how that goes. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's pretty quiet. The next toy are these solar panels, which I'm super stoked about, and we definitely have enough sun for it. I have no idea if I'm opening this correctly. Let's hope for the best there. There it is. Sweet. So this is the battery bank, and there's a little DC input here. Yeah, they're charging. You can see the little dots moving, so success. All right, so last update is the swivel seat, which I'm stoked about. We did this the other day, and basically all we did was we replaced this seat with a new swivel seat base that moves. Yeah, there's a little lever that you pull to swivel it around, and there it is. Pretty simple. We got our little mini glove box here, since this van, oh, stuff flying everywhere, GoPros, but not bad, not bad. For a $250 base thing that I paid like $250 on Discount Truck and Van RV.com. The website's from like, looks like it's from the 60s, and I didn't really trust it, but it came in like 2 days and it fit like a glove. So I'm stoked that the van is making some type of progress, slowly but surely, and now that it's getting nicer, I'm ready to start ripping all this stuff out and actually making some real progress. But yeah, I don't know, I'm pretty hungry. How about you, Andrew?
Very hungry.
All right, so we're gonna get the pizza oven prepped and get cooking. So I actually can't believe that this is the first time that this pizza oven is making an appearance on this channel, because I am obsessed with this thing. We bought this during COVID, and at the time it was like $250. It's the Frya 12-inch wood pellet stove, and we love it. We probably cooked over 50 pizzas in it, and honestly, it pretty much ruined restaurant pizza for me. Pretty transportable. Really all you have to do is take this part and this part off. You saw us set it up. It took like maybe 2 minutes. This thing is a beast. It pretty much makes a pizza in 90 seconds. You have to rotate it every like 10 to 20 seconds, but it's amazing and tastes just like wood fire pizza. So yeah, it's pretty simple to use. I'm not going to do like a whole tutorial. I'll leave a link in the description to this pizza oven, and I actually created a whole blog post that walks you step by step how to actually do it, because it's super simple. And yeah, you guys can check that out if you want to know like a full walkthrough of how to use it. But we're going to throw some pellets in here, fire it up, and start prepping our pizza. All right, so we moved the pizza oven. So we're just gonna make a basic like cheese and pepperoni pizza. We have frozen dough. This is Tisso's. I don't know if I'm saying that correct, but we got this from Meijer, and this has been awesome. We've tried fresh dough from like really fancy Italian bakeries, and nothing has been as good as this, and it's super cheap. It's like $1.50 at Meijer. So yeah, Andrew's gonna get the dough all rolled out. He's the pro at that, and get the pizza ready to go. First, we are going to start warming up the oven. And this is the little compartment that all of the wood pellets go in. You basically just fill it up like that. So 2 scoops in the chamber, and they even give you some fire starters. And it's super simple. Basically all you do is light this fire starter, and that'll get everything going, and you just let it sit. Put it back in the little chamber. And now we pretty much just wait. We're basically just gonna let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to get it up to temperature. It actually has to be almost 900 degrees for it to cook. And that's why it cooks so fast and gives it that perfect crunch on the outside, but perfectly soft on the inside. So we're just gonna wait for that to warm up and start dressing our pizza.
Want to try the flip.
So in there is my grandpa's homemade sauce. Shout out to him. I'm going to add some oregano and some Italian seasoning, just a little bit. I go around the crust with the Italian seasoning. Ah, snap! That was kind of a lot, but I'm sure we'll be good. Now, we're cheese lovers over here. People tell me I put too much cheese on my pizzas, but when you're Italian, there is no such thing as too much cheese. Pepperoni. And now we just have to check the temperature with our fancy little temperature gun. All right. We're about 800, so that read like 800, so I'm gonna put a little bit more in, and we're gonna call it good, and we can put the pizza in now. All right, so it's in for the first time. We're gonna let it go for maybe 10 to 20 seconds, and then we're gonna flip it. All right, first flip. Looks good. All right, let it go for another 10 seconds. Looks good. Pepperonis are curling up. A little bit longer, maybe 20 more seconds. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Nice. All right, put it back in for another 20 seconds, and we should be almost good to go. All right, oh man, that's looking so good. Yeah, that side needs a little more. All right, one more turn, I think we're good. All right, that looks pretty good to me. What do you think?
I think it was good.
Yay!
What do you think?
Good. We forgot peppers. We were gonna make a pepperoni and green pepper pizza. That's our favorite, but we forgot them. Could probably hear the animals in the background. I don't know what those are. What are they? The blue herons?
No, sandhill cranes.
Oh, sandhill cranes. Everything's waking up now that it's warm out. And we got quite a sunset behind us. I wasn't expecting that. And the sun's staying out till like 7:30, which is crazy. Summer's definitely on its way. Bugs even too, in the middle of March. Is it on my face? Ah, get it.
Gone now. It's
Got
gone
it?
now. Yeah.
Jeez Louise. All right, well, I'm not gonna just sit here and record us the entire time eating, but we're gonna finish eating, probably get a fire started, and just enjoy the rest of the sunset. There they go, those noisy things. Bye. Alright, so it's been a few hours and we just kind of sat by the fire and relaxed. The owner of the property actually came out and chatted with us for a little bit, and he's a super cool guy. This is such a gorgeous property and I'm super thankful to be out here. Obviously we'd rather be out on like national forest land or some state land in the middle of the woods, but this is just as good, and we're only an hour and a half away from home, which is awesome. That's definitely the closest we've ever camped anywhere before. There's actually a full moon tonight. I don't know if it's just that my eyes have adjusted now that it's dark, but I feel like I can see way more. I can see like on the horizon, I can see the trees in the distance. And I got to finally use the Ooni Pizza oven while we were camping. I've been wanting to use that for a while. We use it so much at home and it's just so easy. Crust always turns out perfect, like really crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. But yeah, all right. I think we're just gonna let this fire burn down and we're gonna hop in the van and just get ready for bed. Oh my gosh, it's so nice being able to take off your shoes just inside without having to like run around and yeah. All right, so it's like 11:30 now. We saw a bunch of shooting stars and I don't know if there's like a meteor shower going on, but it's crystal clear. Full moon, you could see way more than you can on your average night, and yeah, it's like 50 degrees outside right now, I think. And let's see, oh, we actually have a thermometer, so this says, I don't know why it's so hard to read, 39 outside, and it's 51 in here, so that's not too bad. 51's a lot warmer than, what was it, like 29 degrees we were in last time. So we're just gonna relax and enjoy this warm night in the van and get ready for bed. So I guess we'll just catch you guys in the morning. All right, you guys, good morning. You can see the sun coming up behind us. It is like 8 o'clock and it is so warm. Andrew is still sleeping. Oh, no, he's not. He's moving. But yeah, the sun is rising. It is so warm today. I slept amazing. Wow, that was so much better not freezing. But man, this van is like a life hack. I don't know. I slept like a baby. I woke up before the sunrise and yeah, I guess we're just gonna slowly wake up and have some coffee and enjoy the sunrise. And we got this like 45-degree day already at 8 in the morning. All right, well, good morning. now that I have a little bit of caffeine in me, I'm feeling a lot more woken up. And yeah, what a gorgeous morning here. What a gorgeous spot. Honestly, we couldn't have asked for anything better for being an hour and a half outside of Detroit. But it's St. Patrick's Day today, actually, which I kind of forgot about. So we're going to get up and moving, and we are going to kind of try to explore the area around here. I don't know what really there is. I know there's some kind of state park. But yeah, we're going to hit the road and see what we can find. We drove around for most of the day and found this perfect little lake spot that we hung out at for a while and just enjoyed this beautiful weather, which is exactly what I needed after such a long winter. I couldn't be more stoked for the warm weather coming and lots of new adventures in the van. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Check out the blog posts and other info linked in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.